All right, it's day 153. I'm at the side of the old Cloudland Hotel. This is my new friend Lost and Found.
Good morning.
And she was doing the sleeping last night in the hammock. Look at these beautiful green evergreens. Oh, it's a beautiful day. You can see the mountains on the horizon down in the fog. And that's part of the old hotel. This is what I was talking about yesterday, whether you could drink on one half and not on the other. All right, day 153. On the trail. Spent the night at Roan High Shelter. Yeah, the highest shelter on the Appalachian Trail. Pretty neat shelter. It's all enclosed and it has a door. Doors are good. And it was cool up there last night. It's above 6,000 feet elevation. So just the temperature lapse rate is going to make it cooler. And I got in there, good water supply. And refilled all my water. Swept it out. Put down my ground cloth. Blew up my sleeping pad, put my sleeping bag out and my pillow. Got everything set. And then I started making dinner. I was hungry yesterday. And so I ate a big dinner. Went back in. Fell sound asleep. Just bam, sound asleep. Slept so good. Met this really neat, interesting young lady. She hiked yesterday from, not yesterday, my goodness, last year from Harper's Ferry North. And she's piecemealing now the southern section, places that she's missed. Anyway, she was up there hammocking. She came by to say hello, and we walked together some this morning. Smart, my God. She's retired at 27 or 28. Brilliant. Holy moly. But anyway, she's pointing out all the different plants and telling me all about them. I know they're green. She knows everything else. Anyway, enjoyed the conversation. She likes to, she hikes faster than me, but she likes to sit for a while. So we got to that last crossing, and she's gonna sit. And I just kept going, and she'll catch me here at the next shelter. I have no doubt. Weather's good today. Cool. Doing a lot of ups and downs now. Started off with a big old 2,000 foot descent. And now it's just a little roller coaster for a while. But trail's nice. Soft under my feet. And life's good. Here we go. Here's the view from Rocky Knob. Got views out here. You can see a town way on the horizon. Nice view of the mountains today. Nice cool breeze. Another view from Rocky Knob. Kind of slowly so you can see it. Just lovely. All right, bird told me to hurry. All right, 1.7 miles to the shelter. I'm sitting on a rock, almost to the top of this climb, and I'm eating a Cliff Bar. Oh yeah.